Hey everyone, welcome back to Shura Gains channel. I hope you all are doing good and I really hope you have subscribed to our channel. If not, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much. Let's begin today's video. Every single one of us have had to stop at some point on some national highway to pay toll tax, isn't it? What if I told you there's a way to earn from toll tax instead? Yeah, there is a way to do that, and let's find out how. In the recent years, besides real estate investment trusts, that is REITs, infrastructure investment trusts, commonly known as InvITs, have made their debut in India. InvITs basically make infrastructure related investments accessible to retail investors like you and me. And under InvITs, like I mentioned earlier, one can earn good returns from revenue generating infrastructure assets which have completed their gestation period. For instance, one can earn from toll tax being collected on completed national highways and expressways. Besides, one can also earn from power transmission lines over long distances. Let's find out more about InvITs. At present, there are 3 listed InvITs in India, and they are listed on NSE and BSE. The 3 listed InvITs are India Grid InvIT, IRB InvIT, and Power Grid InvIT. They were listed in June 2017, May 2017, and May 2021 respectively. These InvITs declare quarterly dividends which are known as quarterly distributions. In fact, dividend is one of the components of distribution per unit every quarter. And in addition to quarterly returns in the form of distribution, value of the listed InvITs also appreciates on the bourses. If we calculate the annual appreciation in terms of CAGR since their respective listing dates and add the distribution yield on the basis of the current distribution, we can get a fair idea of the actual annual return given by InvITs. Annual returns thus calculated for Power Grid InvIT is as high as 31.73% on August 8, 2022. And on the same date, the annual return of India Grid InvIT was 18.07%. And when it comes to IRB InvIT, this return was only 3.12%. But it may be noted that during COVID lockdowns, the toll collection by IRB InvIT was badly affected as none of us or most of us weren't traveling, and which brought down the annual return. But if we calculate the annual return of IRB InvIT from April 2020, when IRB InvIT units were trading at the lowest price of 30.63 rupees per unit, the annual return jumps to 43.96%, which is pretty high. Based on the statistics so far, the initial performance of the listed InvITs seems to be quite encouraging in India. If the similar trend in InvIT price is observed in the coming years, InvITs may turn out to be a very attractive investment option. Retail investors may keep an eye on the performance of the listed InvITs in order to draw their own inference about the utility of InvIT units as an investment. Their quarterly dividends make these units relatively a safer investment bet. Having said that, let me add a disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Please do your own research and analysis before making any investment decision. Thank you so much for listening, and please don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.